I am Dhanvarshan from first year of Mechatronics Engineering and Smart Factory at NTTF Trichy. I am here to deliver my short talk about Projector. Projector is an output device that we are used in our day-to-day life. That is an used to project a monitor device or use as a monitor or television to project image to a big group of peoples. Projector come in various forms and sizes and are used in auditoriums and movie theaters. And on that, I have picked up some types of projector. Basically, we are using our day-to-day life, namely laser projector, LCD projector, and digital light projector. I first explain about laser projector. A laser projector is a device that projects a changing laser beam on a screen to create moving image for entertainment purpose or professional purpose. It consists of moving housing that contains laser mirrors, galvanometers, screener, and other optical components. A laser projector may contain one laser light source for single color projection or three sources for RGB, namely red, green, and blue full color projection. Now I explain about parts of laser projector. On laser projector, it consists 2D array blue laser diode. It, it transfer phosphorus element and light combiner to optical diffuser, and on optical diffuser it optimize it and send it to micro display. Then it go to projection lens and we can see in our screen. Now I explain about LCD projector. An LCD projector is a type of video projector for displaying videos, images, or computer data on a screen or other flat surface. It is a modern equivalent of a slide projector or overhead projector. To display image LCD is nothing but liquid crystal display. Projectors are typically send light from a metal halide lamp through a prism or a three polysilicon panel, one each of red, green, and blue components of the video signals. Now I explain about LCD projector spots. On LCD projector, it consists an LED light source to pass to dichloric mirror and go to regular mirror. On that ray transformation that gives an another colored light to pass over to the projector lens. On the projector lens, dichloric prism optimize it and project on the screen. And now I explain about digital light process projector. Light processing projector is also called as DLP, is a set of chipset based on optical micro electromechanical technology that uses a digital micro mirror device. It was originally developed in 1987 by Larry Hornberg of Texas Instrument at first time. And now I explain about digital light projector. If we give input to digital light projector, in front it has a convex lens. It pass over the rays to the DMDs. There are four DMDs present in digital light projector, and it transfer the DMD rays to the screen. On that we can see or entertainment or all visualize images. You may understand my presentation. Thank you.